Thank you for listening to today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. Today we are focusing on a critical regulatory shift in Turkey that impacts foreign medical device manufacturers. As of June 2, 2021, Turkey has fully aligned its medical device regulations with the European Union's Medical Device Regulation, or MDR. This harmonization brings significant changes, and one of the most important involves the role of the Turkish Authorized Representative, often called the TR Rep. Historically, many manufacturers relied on their local Turkish distributor to also serve as their authorized representative. This was a convenient arrangement, bundling commercial and regulatory functions with a single partner. However, under the new MDR-aligned framework, this practice presents a serious conflict of interest and a major compliance risk. The core issue is that a distributor's primary objective is commercial, focused on sales and market share. In contrast, an authorized representative's legal responsibility is purely regulatory, centered on patient safety and compliance with the Turkish Medicines and Medical Devices Agency, the TITCK. Imagine a situation where a post-market surveillance signal indicates a potential safety issue with a device. A TR rep is legally obligated to report this to the authorities, which could lead to a field safety corrective action or even a product recall. A distributor, whose revenue depends on selling that very device, might face pressure to delay or downplay the issue, creating a direct conflict with their regulatory duties. The new regulations place immense legal liability on the TR rep, making it essential that their judgment is not clouded by commercial interests. They are the manufacturer's legal proxy in the country and must act solely in the interest of regulatory compliance and public health. Therefore, the expectation from the Turkish authorities is now clear. Foreign manufacturers must appoint an independent TR rep. This entity should have no commercial involvement in the sale or distribution of the devices. Their role is to manage regulatory tasks, such as handling vigilance reporting, overseeing post-market surveillance, ensuring technical documentation is available for inspection by the TITCK, and managing device registration in the national database known as UTS. For manufacturers currently using a distributor as their TR rep, immediate action is required. We recommend you review your existing agreements to separate the commercial distribution mandate from the regulatory representation mandate. You will need to formally terminate the authorized representative agreement with your distributor and appoint a new independent TR rep through a formal mandate. This change must then be reflected in your device registrations within the UTS system to ensure your market access is not jeopardized. Failing to make this switch could lead to non-compliance, potentially resulting in the rejection of new device registrations or even the removal of existing products from the market. If you need assistance navigating the complexities of appointing a TR rep in Turkey or require guidance on global market access, please check out Pure Global. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you next time.